Muslim, it is essential for to do good and avoid bad. Corruption is a social evil, it's harm a nation. When Pakistan becoming to existence, our beloved leader Qazi Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said, this new state of Pakistan is separating from all India. He addressed always to the people that this newly state would be beware of corruption. But it is a pity we could not achieve that goal. Once he said, Almighty Allah awarded us a new state in shape of Pakistan. Now it is your responsibility to uphold it by your constant work. Make it an exemplary state. Honorable guest, corruption has become everyone and for leading a peaceful life. We have to uproot corruption for our community. There are so many descriptions of corruption. Embezzlement, bribery, and adulteration. First, embezzlement. Embezzlement has demolished our country. We have $2 million IMF and World Bank. Every newly born child open his eyes in that. It is a matter of sorrow. Our leader, some politician and whom had left, which delivered our national treasury going on empty. Secondly, bribery. Bribery is a great cost for our country. It forfeits a deserving person from its right. It is a cause great death of efficient people in country, and inefficient people occupy people through bribery, which is lost for our country. Thirdly, adulteration. Adulteration in food stop ruining the health of people. They become victim of various kind of diseases because of eating adulterated food. Due to this, corruption is the dignity of our country is decreasing day by day. If we want to stand up in the line of developed country, we have to raise the standard of country high. We have to follow the Qazi instruction to make our country a prosperous country. So, the school can play a great role keeping away corruption for the country. In this regard, teachers should make themselves a model before the student. Their every action, their way of talking should be full of integrity. The youth should do it as a younger, because the student of today is the useful citizen of tomorrow. If he is sincere, he can serve better the country because of sincerity. So, school can play a great role in this regard. If the teacher are sincere, they can play positive role to uproot the corruption. Moreover, corruption topic must be included in syllabus to aware the student from the bad effect of corruption, and they must have great hand in finishing the corruption and assess with those people who to uproot the corruption. Honorable guests, if you realize the event of separation of East Pakistan, which is now Bangladesh, its separation main cause was their school. Their teacher had made mind of the youngster to be parted with West Wing, make a sovereign country of their own, so they were succeeded in their mission. The school can uproot by delivering meaningful education. This is then possible to create an incentive jungle to remove evil and corruption from our community. Apart from giving an ideal education in school, our teacher can persuade every vast of people in public gathering on road, and everywhere he finds the opportunity to aware the people from the harm of corruption. As teachers are considered respectable and responsible in the society. If our school take it serious, they can uproot the corruption and can make our community just like a paradise. I shall compose a few words in this regard. Schools are spoiled institutions. Always observe in missions. You affect your lesson to uproot the corruption. Honorable guest, I am thankful to you for listening this all.